So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So we will learn more about trigonometry in this video. In previous video I have given you some questions based on some formulas. So in this video we will learn further about trigonometry and how can you find the values of angle if you are given values such as 180 degree, tan 180, sin 120 and cos 130, or basic angles basically more than 90 degree. So how can you find whether the value of sine theta, if angle is between 90 degree and 120 degree, it will positive or negative? How can you find the values? So we will learn about that in this video. Basically, when you have to find whether the value of angle will be positive or negative, how can you easily verify it? So let me draw a diagram. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. You have learned it in Cartesian plane. This is basically Cartesian plane. So this is 90 degree, so this is represents 0 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 180 degree, and this is 270 degree. And the cycle revolves basically after 270. 360 is also there, and it also adds up, and 360 plus 90, then here cycle goes on, and if reverse goes on, then angle will be in minus negative. For example, this will be minus 90 and this will be plus 90. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So in this quadrant, first quadrant, if angle lies between 0 to 90 degree, this is first quadrant, positive angle. So all values of all the identities, sine, cos, tan, cos x, sec and cot, all are positive in this quadrant. So if sine 90, sine 30, sine 50, sine 60, cos 90, cos 20, or tan 30, tan 20, tan 80, all will be positive. Cosec 80, all will be positive. So I will write all positive values. In this quadrant, in second quadrant, only and only sine value will be sine and is reverse, that is cosec will be positive. Only sine and cosec is positive, and all other are negative. Only sine and cosec will be positive. In this quadrant, third quadrant, only and only tan and tan opposite is tan reverse is cot is positive. All other are negative. So if you will ask what will the value of sine 120 will be positive or negative, the value of cosec 160 will be positive or negative, then it will be positive, because 120 and 160 lies between 90 and 180, and sine 120 will be positive because in second quadrant the angle lies in second quadrant, and second quadrant the value of sine and cosec is positive. Similarly, the value of tan and cot is positive in third quadrant. If angle lies between 180 degree and 270 degree, then it will be positive only for tan and cot. Similarly, in this quadrant, cos value is positive. Cos and its reverse sec is positive. All other are negative. So if I ask you what is the value of cos 280, whether it is positive or negative, then it will be positive, because cos 280 lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant value of cos is positive. And if I ask you value of tan 230 is positive or not, then your answer will be yes, it is positive, because tan 230 lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant value of tan and cot is positive, and all other are negative. Similarly, if I ask you the value of sine minus 13 is positive or negative, then you know sine minus 30 means sine minus value is in this quadrant. So if sine 30 is in this quadrant, then reverse minus, the minus will lie in fourth quadrant. Sine 30 lie in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sine value is negative. Only cos and sec value is positive. So sine minus 30 is negative. Sine 120 degree is positive because it lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec is positive. If I ask you tan minus 60 whether it is positive or negative, then your answer will be yes sir, it is negative, because tan minus 60 lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant only cos and sec is positive, other are negative, so tan minus 60 will be negative. Similarly, cot 120 degree is cot 120 degree will be negative because in second quadrant cot is negative. Similarly, sec 230 degree, sec 230 third quadrant it is negative. Sec minus 60 is positive because sec minus 60 lies in fourth, and in fourth sec value is positive. So similarly, cos minus 60 will be also positive. So thank you everyone. Jai Hind, and please like the video and subscribe the channel for further videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.